If TikTok isn't uploading your video and keeps pushing it back to draft on your Android, let's see how you can fix this easily. First, you have to check your internet. Start by making sure you are on a strong and stable connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Or turn on airplane mode, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network. Now give your upload another shot. Next, make sure TikTok has permission from your device, because without the right permissions, TikTok can run into upload issues. For that, open up your settings, go for apps, go to manage apps, and from here, go to TikTok and check that photos, microphone, and camera access are all turned on. If your video goes against TikTok community guidelines like showing violence or restricted content, it might not upload at all. So go to any browser and search for TikTok community guidelines, then go to the first site, and from here you can read all the community guidelines. Next, you can try by clearing the cache. For that, tap and hold your app, go to info icon, go for storage, and from here, tap on clear data and hit clear cache from here and confirm the process. This will fix most of the bugs. After that, look for app updates, go to the Play Store, search for TikTok and see if there's an update available. At the same time, you can uninstall your app and reinstall it again. If nothing works, you can report the problem directly from TikTok app. Before that, take a quick screenshot of the issue as proof, then tap on this hamburger menu from your TikTok profile, go for settings and privacy, scroll to report a problem, go for report, and now from bottom, go for chat with us. And from here, you have to add the screenshot with a short note, clear explanation of what's happening, and wait for TikTok replies. And then I hope this will fix your issue permanently. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.